The client, a leading enterprise in precision manufacturing, to achieve intelligent management from production to warehousing, adopted DELI's Unit Load Crane as RS, plus Tote for Way Shuttle as RS solution. Core hardware and software include Unit Load Stacker Cranes, Tote for Way Shuttle robots, RGVs, conveyor systems, and WMS. The RS reaches a height of 22.3 meters, featuring over 18,700 storage locations, accommodating over 9,700 types of automotive components, increasing space utilization by approximately 10 times. To address the challenges of multiple production line deployment, the RS spans production workshops on the 2nd to 4th floors, ensuring close synchronization between warehousing operations and production flow. Within this RS solution, 8 Tote for Way Shuttle robots collaborate efficiently to unit load stacker cranes perform high-speed handling and interface with the RGVs at the front end of the RS on the 2nd to 4th floors, achieving goods-to-person picking operations, resulting in a 200% increase in operational efficiency and a 50% reduction in labor costs. Furthermore, DELI's 3D visualization central control system intelligently monitors production lines, warehousing, and other processes, supports multi-warehouse management, and features excellent order splitting and tracking capabilities, easily meeting the demands of flexible production and customized services. DELI, with its exceptional manufacturing craftsmanship and reliable product quality, along with the collaboration of the project management and installation teams, successfully constructed the 22.3-meter ultra-high Tote for Way Shuttle RS. This is a powerful demonstration of DELI's advanced warehousing and logistics technology, providing strong competitive advantages for our clients, establishing a new model for smart factories in the industry.